Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can assign the Smart Invert shortcut to the action button on the iPhone 15 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, go down and tap on Action button. Next, in here, swipe across until you can see it said Accessibility. From here, tap on Choose a Feature. And then we go down and tap on Smart Invert. So now Smart Invert has been selected. It is now assigned to the Action button. So if you press and hold on the Action button, it will turn on Smart Invert. So here you can see it will switches Smart Invert on or off. So here I'm going to go back to, so I'm just going to close that. And I'm going to settings. You can see if I press and hold in here, it will invert the white background to dark background, or the dark background back to the white background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.